Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change text size and style on your phone. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up settings, then scroll down and you should come to display. So you just want to tap on that. And if you scroll down again, you should see font size and style. So you just want to tap on that. And at the top it'll just give you a little preview of what the text will look like. So you can change the font style. It'll give you 3 or 4 options on there, so obviously you can just select whichever one you want. And you can also download extra fonts if you wish to do so. And you can also change it to bold font as well. And then at the bottom you can also change the size. So once you come out of here, you'll see on your settings and display mode all the font has changed in size and style. Thanks for watching.